Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god! Guys, isn't this what they called Eden? This is like real Eden, guys. I want to get close, but I can't find a route. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, kindly subscribe. And those who are returning, thank you so much. You're doing a good job. So guys, today I'm doing another adventure. I'm going to this location that I also don't know. I'm sorry guys, it's noisy because it's a highway. The location, I don't know it. So, okay, it's a car. So guys, join me and we adventure on this one because I've never been to this place. But they told me it's a very nice place which I want to discover. Join me now. So I'm here at a stage. These border guys have already told me they know the place. So right now I'm going to go on a border. He has said we are going, it's a long distance, around about 15k. Then I have to walk for 3 hours. Okay, so I'm going to take 1 hour on a border. Hey guys, 1 hour on a border, then 2 hours walking, and we will be at the destination. So see you there. Right now on a border. Oh, okay. Actually, I'm in the village, in my village, Majengo. So this is Majengo. Alright guys, so this is the guy. This is my border guy for today. Yeah. Alright guys, let's adventure this one. But wait for me guys, 1 hour ride. Again, so I'm finally off the border behind there. That's where the border stopped me. So I now start the hike. I'm going to hike for 1 hour. That's what they have said. I hope it's less, but let's see how it goes before I reach the destination. Guys, this river is called Nyamsivile. This is our first gem. Let me show you. First experience. So far, so good. Affecting me. I'm always lucky that I find people who are social on the way and they take good care of me. Yeah. Okay. So alright guys, this town is called Mapata. I told you Kasese has many villages, so this is one of another village. It is just a discovery guys. I've never been here. I'm so happy because I first met these beautiful boys and the little girls there too, and they have pushed me all the way from where the border stopped me up here, and then I met a good man who is already telling me a lot. I'm curious right now, so we are going to continue to our destination now. I think this is the last destination. So yeah, this is the last town, so that we continue to our destination. So I don't know who is taking me, but let's see how it goes.
I'm called Kitanda Blasio. Now I'm a member of Ruvoni community. Yes, I'm a member of Ruvoni community.
Now yes. I see why you know the place. So try tukaha tutya.
Ye inisha shot eske kolover unde amero akali na rekili na toma butambo mimi kola.
Kai. Oh God, it's super cloudy. Guys, it's a little bit cloudy, but I guess you can now see it. We are like close. So big up to Bright. Actually, Bright is a tour guide for safari, and he's a resident of this place. So Bright, wherever you are, you're a good friend. This place is amazing. Thank you, Bright, for guiding me about this place. So in case you want any tour guiding thing, you want to visit the Rwenzori, visit Queen Elizabeth, or even this place, I'll leave Bright's number in the link. So in case of anything, you're in Kasese, you want to be guided, Bright is the guy. So I'll leave his number in the link. All right, let's go and see what is there. Guys, we are close. We are very close.
The weather is not clear.
Hi guys, I'm finally here guys. I've been through a lot. It has been a long journey. Finally, here we are. We are in Kasese, Mapata village, Uganda. Isn't this what they called Eden? This is like real Eden, guys. I want to get close, but I can't find a route. Guys, this is Eden. Have you ever seen Eden? Guys, this is Kasese, by the way. It's not America. We are in Kasese. Guys, it's so unfortunate. I can't get really close. Guys, there we go. It's so unfortunate I can't really get close because the route is not clear. I'm trying my best to get there. Oh God, it's so unfortunate. I cannot reach there, but then this beautiful. Let me know what you think about this place. Guys, it's a new gem unlocked here in the village. Is called Mapata village, Kasese district, Uganda, Africa. Come and discover this trail, guys. Let's join hands and open this trail because I wanted to go there, but I cannot go there. Next time, let's come as a group and open this trail. I want to reach that Eden. Woo! Alright guys, I'm so sad that I can't reach down there. I feel so sad. But at least I'm not selfish. I've showed you the place. So next time, we are going to talk to the community, they see. But also if you are there, you are an investor out there in the world. There is something here that you can start doing, guys. Tourism in Kasese. There is a new gem here in Mapata. Guys, this is uncovered. Come this side. So, guys, it has been a long day. I have a lot of issues, which I will tell you when I reach home. I will do another video and tell you today what happened. But for now, let me say bye-bye. See you in the next video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, share, so that this place is open because I want to go there to that place. So share so that it reaches the right people to come and support this community to open this trail because I want to reach, I want to touch that water, by the way. Alright guys, thank you, love you, bye. Hit your bell.